Okay, tonight we're going to figure out how to discover the area of a grid. Now, this is the basis pretty much what we'll be doing. We're going to start with this square right here, all right? Its area is 1 times 1, so its area will be 1, all right? This guy right here, let's see. 1, 2 times 1, 2. That's going to be 4, okay? Um, Now we're going to go up to here to this guy. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3. That equals 9. Notice how I'm only counting the spaces in between, not every individual dot, all right? There's 4 dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, but only 9 spaces. Now we're going to do the tricky stuff. This is a triangle, all right? And a triangle only has half the area of a square. So if a square of twice the size is 1, then this is going to be 1/2. This guy right here, oh my gosh, this is tricky because we can't just multiply one side by the other like all these other regular shapes. So you know what we're going to do? We're just going to slice a little half off right there, and we have something easier to work with. This is going to be 1 right here, all right? Now we've got to figure out the other part of the shape. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2. So this part's going to be 6. So this overall shape right here is going to be 7, all right? With this and this, okay? Now we're gonna do some trickier stuff, all right? We're gonna start by counting the outside of the grid, all right? If you remember in class, we're gonna use Plan C, which is subtracting everything that isn't the circle or the shape. Okay, so first we're going to start with getting the perimeter of this entire grid, all right? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on this side. And 7 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36, so that would be 42. Okay, so this whole outside area is 42. Got it? Now that we know this outside area, let's start taking away shapes from this, from the rest of it. So we've got 1/2 right here. We've got 1 right here. We've got another half right here in the form of a triangle. We've got a square right here. We've got another triangle right here, 1/2. We've got another triangle right here, 1/2. We've got this big box right here, this whole big box right here. Let's see, 1, 2 times 1, 2, that's going to be 4. We've got a square right here, okay? Now, I'm going to start picking up speed with these triangles here because you can actually do quite a few at a time, all right? This is a couple triangles together, but we're just going to treat it as one, all right? I chose them as individuals over here, but I'm just going to do this whole triangle over here. You can do either one, whatever you're comfortable with. So this would be 1, 2 times 1, 2. That would be 4, but it's a triangle, so it's 2. All right, then we've got a little triangle right here. That's going to be 1/2. We've got a square right here. That's going to be 1. We've got a triangle right here. That's going to be 1/2. And then we've got a square right here. That's going to be 1. Now we're left with all this real estate up top. So let's just give that a shape while we're at it, okay? The total shape is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2. So this will be 12 up here. Now let's start counting them all together, all right? I'm going to write it down as I count. I'm going to cross off everything that I've already counted, okay? So 1/2 plus 1, that's 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2 plus 4, that's going to be 5.5. 5.5 plus 1, that's going to be 6.5. And just to save time, I'm going to do plus 1/2 plus 1/2, so that's going to be 7.5. Okay, then plus 1 and 1/2 over here, let's see, that's going to be 8, that's going to be 9. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 1 is, 11 plus 1 is 12. Plus another one, that's going to be 13. Plus a 1 for each of these triangles, that's going to be 14. Plus this guy up here, that's going to be 26, okay? 26. So we're going to do 26 of all these little guys together. They're all 26 together, minus 42. So we're going to do it all from the side over here. Take this out, that's going to be 6. And the total answer will be 16, okay? So this entire area of this guy right here is going to be 16. And you know what? We might even be able to check our work. Now we're going to do plan, I believe it was A. All right, there's 1/2 right here. There's a half right here, a half right here. There's a square right here for 1. There's a triangle right here for 1/2. There is a triangle right here. There's another 1/2. And there's a square right here for 1. I'm going to make this all one shape right here because I can. So this is going to be 2. This right here is going to be 1/2. This right here, this big shape right here, it's going to be 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be 8. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, and then we've got 2 triangles right here for 1/2 and 1/2. Okay, so we can add these together too. I'm going to go by quick. 1/2, 1/2, 1 plus 1/2, 1/2. That's going to be 2. Plus these 2 right here, that's going to be 4. Plus these 2 halves right here, that's going to be 5. Plus this right here, that's going to be 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus this 8, and we get 16 again, all right? So this inner shape right here is 16.